Every app's success hinges on its navigation. Get it wrong and users are gone. That hamburger menu you're using? Data shows it can slash user engagement by a staggering 20%. The reason is simple. If users don't see their options, they won't use them. Out of sight is out of mind. The better way is visible navigation, placed where users can actually reach it. The thumb zone. We'll break down the balance of ergonomic reach, cognitive simplicity, and the Figma precision to master both. Begin every design with this ergonomic heat map. Your primary actions must live in the natural green zones. For bottom tab bars, 5 is the maximum. Any more shrinks targets and overloads the user's brain. Your touch targets must be a minimum of 48 pixels. This prevents fat finger errors and aids accessibility. Inside Figma always activates safe area guides. This stops the home indicator from blocking your navigation. So, we have the physical rules. Where to place nav, how many items, and how big. Are you designing for the hand? Motion isn't just decoration, it's cognitive glue. Users need to see where a new screen comes from. Figma's Smart Animate creates a fluid link between states, telling a story about your app's architecture. To maintain spacing from an iPhone SE to a Pro Max, Auto Layout's Space Between is your best tool. When a user taps to go somewhere, don't show a spinner. Use skeleton screens to make the app feel faster. We've seen how Figma's tools create a solid structure, but what information goes inside? Clarity is king. Icons with text labels are correctly identified 88% of the time. Icons alone, just 60%. Clarity is not optional. This is mystery meat navigation. A row of ambiguous icons. Users should not have to guess what things do. For content-heavy apps like Spotify, search isn't a feature. It is primary navigation. Make it a main tab. Look at your own app right now. Do you have mystery meat icons? Is your search bar buried? We've all been told the 3-tap rule is law. But what if it's a myth? And users don't mind more taps? Primary navigation must stay simple. For secondary actions, use progressive disclosure like a More tab. When a choice relates to the current screen, don't take the user away. Use a bottom sheet for context. A full-screen modal breaks a user's flow. A bottom sheet is a lightweight overlay, making tasks feel manageable. That back button in the top left dead zone is obsolete. Modern users swipe from the edge to go back. Simple rules are a starting point, but great design lives in the nuance. Choose the pattern for the user's task. So if the 3-tap rule is a myth, what replaces it? The scent of information. Clarity at each step matters. And this is where it all connects. Perfect navigation is easy to reach, thumb zone, and instantly understood, labeled icons. To show an active state, don't just rely on color. Add a change in icon weight or an indicator for accessibility. Our 48px touch targets are a start. With Figma variables, you can test spacious modes for users who need more room. Great navigation isn't one rule. It's how ergonomics, clarity, and precision tools work in perfect harmony. We've covered the physical, the cognitive, and the technical. Now let's put it into practice. Effective navigation stands on 3 pillars: ergonomic reachability, cognitive simplicity, and technical precision. 1. Keep primary navigation visible and in the thumb zone. 2. Always label your icons. 3. Value scent of information over tap counts. With Figma's prototyping, auto layout, and variables, you have what you need to test and prove these principles. Open your project now. Does it pass the thumb zone test, the labeling test? Build navigation that feels effortless.